Hey, what's up everyone, Eric here. Today we're going to check out some Wolf chimney hoods. So this one here is a 36-inch version. Particular one shown here is a island version. So meaning that you are available to, how do I say, I guess it's finished in front and back versus having a wall here in the back. So obviously a little more material goes in it. Controls here are very sleek. So this is black glass here that's being featured. There's no real tactile button, so everything is just like a press on the glass. Fingerprint doesn't seem to show, so that's really nice. Yeah, so this is a 36-inch version, and I'll show you two more here. So just so you know, this is Davies Appliance in Redwood City. So here we've got two more right here. So on the left here, this is more of a chimney style. So you have more of a slant at the angle here. The buttons are a lot more tactile, so you can actually feel it. Versus the last one is just a piece of black glass. And then this one, so this one is lower profile compared to the chimney pyramid shape. This one also has the tactile buttons. Both of these are very nice. So I think my personal favorite would be the one with the black glass. But yeah, all of these come with the option to get an inline blower. So I think these are like around $2,100 or so, $2,200. With the inline blower being part of that number, but I think it's around like 500-ish. So check your local retailers for pricing and all that. But yeah, cool. I will include the descriptions and model numbers in the description of the video. Okay, so now would be a good time for us to recap all the different model numbers that were shown in this video. So in the beginning, I was saying this was a 36-inch island hood, and that is incorrect. The first hood that was shown was actually 42-inch island hood. So that would be the VI42B. So V for ventilation, I for island, 42-inch width, B for black glass. So sorry about that mix up there. But it is also available in a 36-inch wall hood version rather than an island. So if you need a 36-inch application in a wall setup, so that would be VW36B. So V for ventilation, W for wall, 36-inch width, black glass. And then the second hood that I showed, the more of a pyramid shape version, that was the VW36S. So wall hood, stainless. And then the last one, the third one that I showed was a VW36G. So ventilation, wall, 36-inch glass. Now, all three of these hoods, they are sold as a shell only, so you need to specify which blower type you need at the time of purchase. So the most common one being internal blower. So internal blower means well, your typical hood where you have the blower, the mechanism that is spinning and drawing out all the air. So that's the blower, and most of the time these are directly within the hood itself. So it sucks out a lot of air at the same time. However, they could be a little bit loud when you're on full power. So it makes it a little bit more difficult for conversation inside the room. So the ones that I like, that I've been recently pointed to, are the inline blowers and the remote blowers. So inline is usually installed in the attic. Here's an example. Here's an installation guide actually from the inline blower from Wolf. So what it means is between the actual fan inside the kitchen, so in this diagram here, inside your house somewhere, you would have the ventilation, and then as the duct goes out of the house, you have somewhere what they call inline. You have the blower like this, that's actually doing all the work, and it's usually suspended on some chains from the rafters. So as the motor is moving, it's not vibrating your studs, it's not transferring the noise down from your ceiling to the walls and into the room. So it makes it a lot more quiet. And then the blower itself being in the attic, or I don't know, soffit or wherever else you choose to install this, um, that would be away from your kitchen. So when you're cooking inside the kitchen, you're able to have your conversation, and you don't have to raise your voices, and it'll be quiet. And yet you still have the motor, doing all the same motor doing all the work for you and drawing out all the air. And then from there, you would go out into the roof, or wherever else you're venting out. So it could be a wall cap, it could be a roof cap. So that would be the inline version. And then the remote blower is pretty much the same idea, except you're putting the blower all the way outside the house. So it might be a blower out here on the roof, or it might be a blower outside in your backyard or something like that. So, but yeah, all three of these hoods, you can have any one of these three blower options: internal, inline, and remote blower. I hope this content was useful for you. If you like the content, please like and subscribe, and we'll bring more content like this. It would really mean a lot to me if you support our channel, so really please, I'm waiting for you to hit the like button. Do it for the YouTube algorithm, do it for me, do it for just being nice. All right, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.